Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to create a layout for this create post wrap. So, inside the center wrap, we are going to create a div. This will be the center inner wrap for the center wrap. So, we'll say class center inner. So, inside the center inner, we are going to create this create post wrap and this post wrapper. You can see we have posts which is inside the post wrapper. So this is another div which holds these posts. On the top we have a create post wrap, and for the bottom we have the post wrap. So let's open up this center inner, and what we are going to create here, we are going to create a div. This will have a class of create post wrap, and that will hold the create post menu, this, and here we are going to create a post wrap for the posters. So we'll say class post wrap, and inside the post wrap we will create another div. This will be the post inner. We will focus on the create post wrap, not post wrap, because we are going to create the create post wrap first, then we are going to create our posters which is inside the post wrap. So inside the create post wrap, let's create the layout for the create post wrap. If we see here, you can see we have the create post wrap and we have the create post inner which has some padding from here as well. So what we are going to do here, we are going to create another div, and this will be the create post inner, and this will be the inner of the create post wrap. As I said before that we are going to create top section, bottom section, and with the div. So we are going to create a div for the top and a div for the bottom. For the top div we will call this C, short for create, and we'll say C post top, and copy this, create post top, and create post bottom, which is C post bottom. So that will hold the top section, which is this image and the input menu, and this C post bottom will hold this bottom menu. So we have created the C post wrapper and inner, and as well C post top and bottom. So I think that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.